What's up, y'all? It's your girl Katie. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we finna be trying those infamous dumplings, those Chinese dumplings that everybody's been trying. And guess what? That's what we doing today. That's what we doing today.
Are we saying
That's
the
what we
dumplings?
doing today. So let's go and get right on into it. So yeah, y'all, I got my dumplings. These are the dumplings that I'm gonna be doing. The pork and cabbage, mini bun. And we can open them and get them cooking. Let's see what they gonna hit. Like, what they gonna be like, what they gonna taste like. This they look like frozen. Yeah. We finna put them in the steamer.
Did I take a bullet for you? It's easy, I don't let go, but I won't. I need your hand, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easy, I don't let go, but I won't. You're so inside the agony.
Thinking about these left. Oh, left over.
I'll turn it all around if I could, but I know
That's how many I put in the pot.
I've been trying to reach you, baby.
And
I lose my mind.
we're gonna wait for them to cook.
You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. 'Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na.
As y'all can see, those my dumplings. My dumplings. That one, I broke it open because I wanted to see what they look like. And this is what they look like. And they've been cooking for like I don't know, they've been cooking for a minute now. So I'm about to take them out and I'm gonna test them and give everybody in my house on the test. Let's go, let's get it.
Them quickly, I let you. It's easy how the fighting, but I know.
Yummy.
You didn't even take a bite.
I give you everything
Blow it.
I am.
You gotta blow it.
Throw it away like it's nothing. It's easy how the fighting, but
Honestly, I was just like, I feel like everything has babies.
I didn't feel it.
It's a dumpling.
I think after I actually both of those, because after I started with I guess it's just like
Shoot.
Huh?
Huh?
yeah, but it makes it worse because since I'm breastfeeding, they're not really saying
you're good for me. 'Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na.
that's why I didn't start doing honestly.
Why does it look like new eggs?
To understand it better.
Chicken.
That's crazy.
Yeah, but it's that time of the year.
To see what I'm doing.
It's just horrible.
Did I take a bullet for you? It's easy, I don't let go, but I won't.
And we have so much fun with it. We just want to be like,
I need your hand, need you right now.
Ten.
Throw it away like it's nothing. It's easy, I don't let
Yeah, you like it?
go.
It's good.
So inside the
stuff was definitely like a yogurt sauce.
I was blowing my nose.
I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind.
Like I be a little kid, I'd be like,
You've been kind of see-through lately. You're good for me.
yeah, what is this thing? I'm like, I
Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh
Yeah, I
na-na.
know that.
Tell me to leave you, I say na-na. No, not now. Go on, love me, I say na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na. No, not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better.
we're gonna go. I'm gonna go to urgent care today because it's been over a week now and I'm still not like getting better. So I just want to get checked out, even if they can't prescribe anything, or even if they just say it's a common cold or something.
Nah, I think it's a common cold. We probably got the flu.
That's like every
52 pounds. You look 6 pounds. That's crazy. You so much body weight go up. Marissa's always complaining about her weight.
Just get in this.
Well, not necessarily your weight.
Yeah, it's good.
Like, but you think that, yeah, you think that, like, that's bad.
Reading.
Oh, alright. You want another one, woman?
This is the 10 out of 10.
You want another one?
146 pounds, that's like, probably even lower than what you were when you got pregnant last time.
I honestly don't mind
Right now,
Turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not
whatever
enough.
is wrong with Marissa, I'm pretty sure it had the same infection of cold too. So, yeah, I'm just not gonna describe it. Whatever, ain't gonna describe it.
I want this part because they're not only have the.
Okay.
New pamper swirlers helps
First time ever.
Oh,
it's Taylor.
You gotta be careful.
My entire life, like, that's, I was, it's something that's just crazy.
Yeah, see, like, I'm sick, but I don't have any trouble.
Would you eat this on a regular if I bought it?
She said it was infection, but she didn't tell me like she was like it was like laryngitis or like bronchitis.
I like eat it for snack time.
She was like, no,
It's not good.
she didn't diagnose you or anything. So, you should have asked her.
I asked her though.
What the heck was that? And she didn't really say anything, right?
She was just like it's a lung infection and I have fluid and like she could hear it crackling, but she's listening to me, so I need antibiotics.
There's some viral infections going around, like that problem that we have with our throat,
Peace.
stuff like that. Infection.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Right,
Are you ready? We ready? So these are dumplings. These are pork and cabbage dumplings. So yes.
I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kind of
I think I got it.
lately, but you're good for me. 'Cause every time you hurt me,
It's like,
tell me to leave you, I say
like that.
no, not now. Go on, let me, I say na na, oh na na.
I think I gotta look
Leave you, I say na na, no, not now.
the outside.
I've been trying
Just a little bit more.
baby, to understand you better,
Cause the only fact is 2 minutes. So.
tonight.
Steaming for 13 minutes. So.
I'm gonna be.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't realize dumpling was this good.
Me either.
And I watch anime after this all they eat.
Exactly. Kung Fu Panda. This is what they ate. And I'm like,
Feelings, you shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know I give you everything.
that's why you eat with hot sauce.
You throw it
That's why they eat it with
away.
hot sauce and fish sauce and stuff like that.
It's easier than fighting, but now
I was looking for hot sauce. But
you're so inside the agony.
I couldn't find it.
Stop for a
I
second.
don't know where my arm is.
I turn it all around
I'm done.
if I could, but I know it's not enough.
Bro,
Let me turn this off. Up, side, down.
I've been trying
done.
to reach you, baby. I lose my mind.
hold up these dumplings.
Oh,
You've been kind of see-through
Turn this on,
lately,
please.
but you're good
I like the good
I like
side.
habit.
I like the good spicy.
Yeah. You like it?
It's good. At first, first anything on it. Listen, cook. So then, as soon as you got to like right here, oh, I don't like this part, and
My man.
you just throw it all in front of me. Like, what are you doing? What are you talking about? Like,
It's easy, I don't let go, but I won't.
I'm gonna use the trip.
I need you here, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing.
You could have this.
It's easy, I don't let go, but I won't. Your soul is at the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'll turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough.